What if I told you that being charming is a skill anyone can learn? And no, you won't have to fake it till you make it, because A, that advice is stupid, and B, you're already awesome. In fact, you don't ever need to pretend to be someone you're not. You can be yourself and still impress your friends, your crush, your boss, practically anyone in your life. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can charm the pants off people using 4 insanely simple strategies that work even if you're not the most confident person in the room. So keep watching to become smoother than melted butter. Charming strategy number 1. Don't try to be perfectly polished. If you try to be someone you're not, it'll be obvious to others. Don't feel like you have to know everything or have all the answers when you're talking to people. Be confident in yourself, even if it means asking questions. Charming people are curious and inquisitive, and that's what draws people to them. Too many people fall into the trap of thinking that they should live up to other people's expectations. Take it from me, this is rubbish. Just remember, the only standards you have to meet are your own. Charming strategy number 2, say less and listen more. What do you do when someone is telling you a story? When someone is sharing a story, it can be tempting to interrupt with details of your own similar experiences. But this is not what charming people do. Charming people are curious about other people's lives and ask questions about their passions and interests. Get your charm game on by listening intently and maintaining eye contact to show you're paying attention when conversing with someone. As an advanced charm strategy, try nodding when the person you're speaking to nods. This behavior is called mirroring, and it's a powerful subconscious connection-building technique you can use on anyone. Charming strategy number 3. Remember someone's name and use it in conversation. Ever had someone mess up your name? It doesn't feel very nice, does it? But when someone you've just met remembers your name, it makes you feel special. You end up liking that person more because they took the time to remember you. And that's exactly what charming people do. So next time you meet someone new, make the effort to remember their name and bring it up in conversation. This will make people feel all warm and fuzzy, and your charm points will skyrocket. Oh, and if you're not great with names, here's a favorite trick of mine. When you learn a new name, try repeating that name back to the person you just met. It takes 1 to 2 seconds to remember someone's name. So the first thing you should do when meeting someone is immediately repeat their name out loud. Something like, "Alex, is it? Great to meet you, Alex." Do this, and you'll never forget a name again. Charming strategy number 4, ask open-ended questions. The most charming people in the world make others feel good about themselves. And asking closed questions, aka the ones that have yes or no answers, isn't charming. Instead, ask open-ended questions that encourage people to talk about themselves. Remember, everyone's favorite topic is themselves. Questions like, what are you passionate about? Or what's your dream travel destination are open-ended, help build comfort, and encourage conversation. This approach makes people feel heard and appreciated, and that's exactly what charming people do. 10-second takeaway. You're a smart cookie, so you'll have seen a common theme in each of these tips. And that commonality is that they all put other people first. Charming people don't wake up and think, I'm gonna go out and charm someone today. They think about listening, understanding, and appreciating others. When you do that, people can't help but feel charmed. So if you're driven by your desire to put other people first, you'll become effortlessly charming without changing a thing about your personality. Because you're already awesome. And that's it. You just graduated from charm school at the top of the class. Nice work. Comment below if you've got a tip to help others become charming just like you.